Frontcountry Camping, a beginner's guide. Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into the exciting world of front-country camping. If you're new to camping or looking to understand more about this accessible outdoor activity, you're in the right place. We'll explore what front-country camping is, how it differs from other types of camping, and why it might be the perfect starting point for your outdoor adventures. Let's get started. Front-country camping refers to camping in designated campsites that are easily accessible by vehicle. Unlike backcountry camping, which requires hiking or backpacking to remote locations, front-country sites are often close to roads or parking areas. This accessibility makes them ideal for beginners or those looking for a more convenient and comfortable camping experience. Key features of front-country camping include proximity to parking areas. You can drive right up to or near your campsite. Amenities. Many front-country campsites offer facilities like restrooms, running water, and even electrical hookups. Safety. Being closer to other campers and park personnel can offer a sense of security. Preparing for a front-country camping trip is relatively straightforward, but planning is still essential to ensure a great experience. Here's what you need to know. 1. Choose your campsite. Research parks or campgrounds that offer front-country camping. Consider the amenities offered and what suits your needs. 2. Make a reservation. Popular sites can fill up quickly, especially during peak seasons. Booking in advance is highly recommended. 3. Pack the essentials. While you don't need to pack as lightly as for backcountry camping, focus on essentials like a tent, sleeping bags, food, cooking equipment, and personal items. To make the most of your front-country camping experience, keep these tips in mind. Respect the environment. Follow the leave no trace principles to minimize your impact on the natural surroundings. Be a good neighbor. Remember, sound travels easily in outdoor settings. Keep noise to a minimum, especially during quiet hours. Explore responsibly. Use your front-country base to explore nearby trails, landmarks, and nature. Always stay on marked paths and respect wildlife. We hope this guide has illuminated the joys and ease of front-country camping for you. Whether you're a seasoned camper or new to the great outdoors, front-country camping offers a fantastic way to reconnect with nature without the need for extensive gear or experience. So, pack up your car, choose your site, and get ready for an adventure that's just a drive away. Happy camping, and see you in the next video.